From all accounts, the path to Rashtrapati Bhavan appears to have no major bumps ahead for Ramnath Kovind. Today, several leaders from the Prime Minister to Chief Ministers to the BJP President accompanied Mr. Kovind as he filed his nomination. He says he has no political affiliation ever since he became governor.
The BJP's massive show of strength at the filing of nomination by its presidential candidate Ramnath Kovind. From Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah to a galaxy of political leaders from the ruling National Democratic Alliance, including chief ministers, all joined Mr. Kovind in an unusual procession from Parliament Library to the Returning Officer's Chamber. But not to be missed was this gesture of Mr. Kovind towards party patriarch L.K. Advani, who along with Murli Manohar Joshi was also part of the procession. Kovind later filed his nomination flanked by Mr. Modi and Amit Shah.
मैं जब से गवर्नर बना तब से मेरा कोई राजनीतिक दल नहीं है। राष्ट्रपति का पद दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर होना चाहिए।
Mr. Kovind's opponent, former Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Meera Kumar, is expected to file her nomination next week. She issued a statement today saying capability and experience must always supersede all other considerations. Despite appeals for support for Bihar's daughter, Nitish Kumar's JDU has refused to rethink.
क्या बिहार की बेटी का चयन हारने के लिए किया गया? अरे बिहार की बेटी का चयन तो जीतने के लिए करना चाहिए था। इसके पहले 2 बार अवसर थे। उस समय तो बिहार की बेटी याद नहीं आई।
The BJP has started taunting Lalu Yadav to withdraw support.
नीतीश जी और लालू जी की पार्टी का गठबंधन कई मामलों में अप्राकृतिक है।
The numbers are clearly in favor of Ramnath Kovind, but the BJP-led NDA is taking no chances and will be touring the states across the country to meet collegium members and seek their votes. With camera person Manvendra Gautam, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.